Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add energy effect to our video in CapCut mobile. Alright, here I have opened my CapCut application on my phone and I'm going to open my project. This is the project that I have just created in CapCut. And if we want to add energy effect to this video, first of all, we can tap on the effect option and select a video effect. And we have to select cartoon category. We can scroll all the way to the right like this and click on cartoon category. And here we can add the energy effect. Tap on this energy option and click on this check mark. Okay, and as you can see that the energy effect has been added to this video, and we can adjust the length. I'm going to make it align with the whole of the video. Okay, and here is the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can add energy effect to our video in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.